Here we go, group break 387, randoms 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Move that. Number 1, Aqua. 2, Aqua. 3, Frank. 4, Aqua. 5, Namwats. 6, Keith. 7, Keith. 8, Dark Wolf. 9, BBR. 10, Jumping Square. 11, Wafan. 12, CBJ. 13, BBR. 14, Aqua. 15, K. Sagan. 16, Bolt Fan. 17, Oilers Forever. 18 and 19 is Aqua. 20 is Pete. 21, BBR. 22, Aqua. 23, Nick. 24, Viking Pat. 25, Jumping Square. 26, Steel Pen. 27, Preds Fan. 28, Jumping Square. 29, Aqua. And 30, BBR. There you have it, guys. All right. Here we go, guys. Good luck. The Blizzard break. 387. I knew it was too good to be true. I was like, man, that thing doesn't usually stay at that angle. Let's see if that works. All right, here we go. We are off. Good luck, everybody. Starting with the patch right off the bat. A beautiful 3-color patch. I believe I put him in Group Break Challenge. Heck yeah, for the Ducks. Bobby Ryan, number 75. Patch and jersey, 3-color. For the Ducks. That's right, Flop. Woohoo! I'm almost positive I typed him. For the Hawks, number 85, Sapphire, Patrick Sharp. For the Hawks. For Buffalo, Tyler Myers, Treasured Swatches Duel. Remember, no color yet from Artifacts. No black or pink or red. They call it red. I call it pink. Jeremy Welsh for the Hurricanes, rookie to $9.99. For the Bruins, Tuukka Rask, $9.99. For Colorado, Tyson Berry, rookie, $9.99. So still need our ink for this box. For Philly, still, Chris Pronger, for the Flyers. We have a wild card. Everyone's got a shot at that one. Another patch. This could be... Nope, no ink. Still 3-color, 3-color. Number to 36. Nice pick there at the end for you. Dustin Byfuglien, Evander Kane, Tundra Tandems dual patch. It's barely 3 on both. But Tundra Tandems dual patch. Byfuglien and Kane for the Jets. It should be an auto. Yep. Nice. For the Canucks, Zach Kashian. Mojo Siren, see? Look at that. Yeah, when the sirens go off, guys, that means something's coming. This one feels fatty. It's because we have a decoy and a hit. He's in goal for me for Nashville, Pekka Rinne. Yeah, we do. Like literally right there. Dang you. I always put my Nashville tandem in for my rookie and goalie. Tyler Sagan for Boston. Authentic Fabrics. That's right, Gabrick? Hard dart. Yeah, I always put Picard and Rene both. Well, pretty much. Mike Green for the Capitals. There's your Caps hit. Woo! The risk paid off. Here's a fatty. Oh, nice. Numbered 15 of 15. Solid hit here. Kay Sagan. For the Calgary Flames, fight strap, Jerome McGinley.
Because these guys are way faster.
Jerome McGinley, fight strap, 15 of 15 for Calgary. And for the Wild, Tyler Kuma, authentic rookie autograph for Mini. All right, back to artifacts. We're getting Iggy with it again, right? For the LA Kings, Jeff Carter. Jeff Carter for the Kings. Number to 99 for the Kings, Wayne Gretzky. Number to 99, Emerald for the Kings, Wayne Gretzky. For the Preds, Ryan Ellis. For Dallas, Ryan Garbutt, rookie. For Boston, Bergeron, Team Canada Emerald, number to 99. Jason Spezza for the Senators, Frozen Artifacts, dual jersey. For Ottawa. Rookie Redemption for the Wild. Dalton Prute for Columbus. Rookie. For the Hawks, Sharp and Keith. Tundra Tandems. Stick with the Gretzky theme? All right. Have we had our auto in this? I don't think we have. So this should be an auto here. Maybe not. Oh, Lord. Keith, no complaining, man. Law fan, get ready. Numbered 4 of 12, dual jersey autograph for the Colorado Avalanche, Patrick Waugh. Number to 12, Patrick Waugh, dual jersey auto for Colorado. Disgusting. That's just a sweet looking card. It's a big hit so far. Wow. Limited. There we go. First up for Philly, Bobby Clark, trophy winners. Bobby Clark trophy winners, number to 199. For the Wild, Zach Parise, number to 199, board members. Number to 299 for the Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Not yet, Flop. I haven't. Number to 299 for the Blues, David Perron. Nice. Phenoms for the Blues, Jaden Schwartz. Phenoms auto for the Blues, so darker. There you go.
You could have been more tactful about it.
Number to 99 for the Ducks, George Peros. Number to 90. I'm sorry, that's for Florida. I misspoke. Florida. George Peros. And for Calgary, number 8 of 25, Curtis Glencross, Prime. Number to 25. All right. Artifacts. We still have not hit any black or red parallels yet. Patch right off the bat here. We have a jersey and 2-color patch. Numbered 24 of 36, Frozen Artifacts, Brandon Dubinsky for the Rangers. Dubinsky for the Rangers, 2-color patch, Frozen Artifacts. For Florida, Colby Roback, rookie, $9.99. Simone Dupuis. Was he the one who left? I don't think he is. I think he's still with Pittsburgh. So I'll say Pittsburgh and he'll correct me. Subi will probably. I think he's still with Pittsburgh though. Tyler Kuma from Minnesota. No, I'm talking about Simone Dupuis for Pittsburgh. Kuma. Okay, he's still there. Okay. I always get Eakin's the one that I mess up, but whatever, for whatever reason, he always. There's something in my brain not right for him. Tim Thomas for Boston, $9.99. For Philly, rookie redemption. Woo-hoo. For the Stars, Jamie Benn and Louis Erickson. Tundra tandems. For Dallas. For Winnipeg, Tim Stapleton, Autofacts. I feel like there's going to be a nice something. I don't know. Oh, I guess we did have the patch in this one already. For Colorado, Matt Duchene, dual jersey. 125 on that one. And number 85, Tyler Seguin, Sapphire for the Bruins. Classic Sigs. No hot box still. Should be 2 per case, and we have not hit one yet. So we can get 8 autos out of this tonight. That's one of the reasons I threw it in there is let's see if we can get 8. Alright, let's see what happens. For the Rangers, Stephen Matteau. Those Frenchy names. Tough to say. Kim Neely for the Bruins banner. He's coming your way, Keith. What the? Alright, this is weird. I'm saving that card. Well, I won't save it. That is freaking weird. Notable nicknames. He didn't sign the card. He just put his nickname. No crap. He did not sign it. Let me make sure he didn't sign the back or something. Nope. Number 12 of 50 for the Boston Bruins. Who took them? BBR did. The Chief. Johnny Busick. The Chief autograph. He didn't sign the card. So BBR, that's pretty cool. See if all of them are like that. That is hilarious. I've never seen that before. Johnny Busick, the Chief. Love it. That is awesome. Oh, too good. And Brian Leach for the Rangers banner. Yeah, check that out. See if there's any on eBay and see if he did that for all of them. I would assume he did it for all of them. Unless he was talking while he was signing and just forgot one. For the Hurricanes, Ulf Samuelsson. And for the Islanders, Brian Trottier banner. Nick, you're off the shutout. Got a Trottier banner. For Buffalo, nice. Pierre Turgeon. For Buffalo and for the Flames, Al McInnes. Not yet. We'll find out right here because there's only 2 packs left. And in a hot box, 2 of the packs have an extra auto. So if this has an extra auto, we'll know. If it doesn't, we'll know. Nope. For the Kings, Charlie Simmer. Charlie Simmer autograph. And for Philly, Bernie Parent. And that's a short print, number 8. Short print, Bernie Parent for Philly. Yep. That's the first Turgeon we pulled, so I'm assuming he's some kind of short print in the set too. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Joe Mullen. And for the Rags, Rod Gilbert. Rod Gilbert. All right. Artifacts. That is too funny on that Johnny Busick. I hope BBR comes in here. We can show him that when he's here. Hilarious. The Chief. Patch right off the bat. Oh, hello. Number 12 of 12. Is this Walter, I think? Yep, Walter. 2-color patch and 3-color stick for the LA Kings, Jeff Carter. 12 of 12. Stick and patch. Frozen Artifacts. Gorgeous looking. Chris Pronger, number 85 for Philly. Sapphire. So, solid. There you go. Washington paid off. There you go. Your long shot Ovechkin Frozen Artifacts. Frozen Artifacts dual jersey of Ovi for Washington. For Toronto, UC Rhinus, rookie. For Winnipeg, Andre Pavlich, number 99 Emerald. For Winnipeg. For Minnesota, Jason Zucker. Rookie, $9.99. Hey, Winnipeg. Yeah, I'm about to say. For Chicago, Corey Crawford. $9.99. And wild card. 30-teamer. For the Oilers, Jordan Eberle and Taylor Hall. Thunder tandems. For Edmonton. And Ryan Jones for Edmonton. Nice picture. Artifacts for Edmonton. SPGU. We haven't had a Supreme from this case of SPGU yet, so I know they're not every case, but like most of them do. For Phoenix, Shane Doan, Anton Vermette, and OEL. Oh, we still got 7 more after this one. For Philly, Claude Giroux, Group Break Challenge. For the Blues, Jaden Schwartz. Team Canada Fabrics. Yeah, this is a big one. 15. Not too shabby at all. Auto, it looks like here. What do we got? Oh, nice. Where's BBR, man? Jordan Eberle. Autograph. For the Oilers. And another auto. Carter Ashton, authentic rookie for Toronto. And now I wish he was in here. Artie. Yeah, that Eberle's nice. And we might have a sick. We might do a sick mini after this, guys. So stay tuned. I just got some cup in. We might do a 1-boxer. Split it 30 ways and just do a nice high-risk mini. For Phoenix, who's that? Keith Yandel. Gonna read it. Sapphire, number 85 for the Yotes. Ray Bork for the Bruins. Treasured Swatches.
It's not bad. Take the corner.
Mr. Bork. Jimmy Howard for the Wings. Yeah, we'll likely do a mini, so get ready for that. Like, it'll be in the teens, under 20 bucks. Sean Hunwick for Columbus. $9.99. Dan Boyle for the Sharks. Wild card rookie redemption. That's 3 of them. Number to 99, Tyler Kuma, Emerald rookie for Minnesota. 99 on that one. Sick patches for the Coyotes, number 3 of 36. 1 color patch for Yandel, but Shane Doan is a 3 color patch. That's just fatty. Doan Yandel for Phoenix. Thunder Tandem's dual patch. For the Jets, Aaron Gagnon. Ah, man, I kill his name. For Winnipeg. It's for you, Jumping Swear, okay? I don't know what the... What? There's no base on top on this one. Marcus Naslund. It just came with the hit. Marcus Naslund, dual jersey. For Vancouver. Limited. Still nothing big from this case. Woo! Board members for the Canucks of Ryan Kessler. Number to 199. Trophy winners for Philly of Eric Lindros. Number to 199. $2.99 for the Hawks, Patrick Sharp. No base, what the heck? And this pack's weird too. Well, there's a good one. For Pittsburgh, trophy winners signature, Evgeny Malkin. Trophy winner Sig for Pittsburgh. Then we have, it's a silver for the Ducks of DSP. Devontae the Stamp Smith-Pelly. Number to 49 for the Ducks. For the Oilers, Adam Graves jersey, numbered to 99. This was a weird pack. Everything was backwards, flipped upside down. Wow. For the Jets, congrats, Jumping. Jumbo jersey autograph, Alexander Burmistrov. Jumbo jersey auto for the Jets. Stamp Pelly. That is crazy. Winnipeg killing it. They were the last paid pick. 28th. Rookie redemption for the Hawks. Wow. Honestly, I don't mind that he does it. I mean, obviously I mind, but like, come on, that's no way to act. So it does more harm than good anyway. Like, if you guys want, like I said, if you guys want to click on it, go for it. Carter Ashton for Toronto, rookie. Yeah, just crazy. When I ever hear any of you guys do anything like that, good little timeout for you guys. Let's put it that way. Patrick Waugh, number to 999 for Colorado. Not tolerated. Jake Allen? Oh yeah, this isn't the first time. Jake Allen, $9.99. Hasek for the Wings, $9.99. Good old Hasek. Patch time. That's what the heck is? trying to figure out what this is. I think it's yeah, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, number 75, jersey that's 2-color and a patch. I'm just going to call it 2-color. It's got silver ink on it. See if, yeah, you can start to see it. That's ink. Looks like they cut up a signed jersey. You got the very part of the ink. So, pretty cool for Edmonton. Threw me off for a second. Wow. There aren't many of these Team Canadas in here. This is Dallas, San Jose, Boston. Make sure all these are right. I'm pretty sure they all are, but Morrow's the one that I'm blanking on. I think it's Dallas still. Brendan Morrow, Joe Thornton, Patrice Bergeron, Tundra Trios, Team Canada. I believe it's Dallas, San Jose, and Boston. So I'm pretty positive that's what that one is. Okay, perfect. Francis Wavier for Dallas. Autofacts. For Pittsburgh, Chris Letang. Dual jersey 125. Pavel Datsyuk for Detroit. 85 Sapphire. Last box of game used. Walter, we still have 3 more after this one. Bobby Ryan for the Ducks. GB Challenge. Woo-hoo. For Buffalo, Miller, Vanek, and Myers, triple authentic fabrics. This one's fat. For Calgary, Sven Berchi. Sven Berchi for Calgary. Authentic fabs. Uh-oh. I don't know what the... Oh, Lord, this is going to be... Oh, it's sweet. Solid hit here. I think it's... Frank, yep. Significant numbers, numbered 15 of 71. Jersey autograph. Gino. Significant numbers, jersey auto, Evgeny Malkin. So 2 Malkin autos for you, Frank. This one's actually in the pack. 15 of 71, sir. And solid 2 for Philly. Braden Shen auto. Gold auto of Braden Shen. Well, that was a killer box of SPGU used to. Another one? What the crap? This is a, I think if Seabrook's still with the Hawks, it's Chicago, Philly. It's Seabrook, Keith, and Pronger.
There's a dude right next to my defender, no matter where your other guys are at.
So I believe, as long as Seabrook's still with the Hawks, he's the only one I can't remember. Nice. No Schwartz rookie, but this is beautiful. And I'm almost positive it's a short print. And we pulled him the other night from Black Diamond for BBR. Autofacts, freaking awesome card. Cujo. That is a disgusting card. Look at that mask. Killer. Cujo Autofacts for the Blues. That is just a sweet card. There you go, YouTube. So nice. For Calgary, Kipper. Yeah, that's just a killer looking card. Derek Roy for Buffalo. Group A. Look at that. 1 in 979 packs. Jaker, what's up? Montreal, rookie redemption. For Edmonton, Philip Cornette. $9.99. So it ended up being a killer case of artifacts. Duncan Keith for the Hawks, because we had the Wad jersey auto and the Cujo, the red. What else was in there? Garbutt Emerald, number 99 for Dallas. Seabrook for Chicago. Team Canada. Patch time. One color patch and jersey to 75 for the Canucks. Roberto Luongo for the Canucks. We pulled the Cujo. Yep, artifacts. Let me put some decoys away real quick. That stack's getting dangerously tall. Limited. Here we go. A limited followed by an artifact to finish things off. Still nothing from limited. Come on. Just flip this over and do it that way. For Vancouver, Henrik Sedin, trophy winners. Emerald base number 3 of 5, Burmistrov for the Jets. So Squares, you did fine. Emerald the 5. For Columbus, Steve Mason. For Detroit, Henrik Zetterberg. For Florida, number to 25, Phenoms Gold, Kobe Roback. Free team for, I believe, BBR on that one. For the Sharks, number to 99, Joe Thornton. Jersey. And number to 25, gold monikers for the Lightning, Martin St. Louis. Number to 25, gold monikers of St. Louis for the Lightning. All right, here we go. Artifacts. We haven't hit a black yet, but we did hit a red, so it's possible we can get another color here, but it's not a sure thing. So we'll see. It's been a killer case of artifacts so far. So the red was the stick and patch, number to 12. For Boston, rookie redemption. Yeah, that guy from Minnesota. Che, Yenaway, Genoway, Genoway. I mean, whatever. Jaguar for Colorado, $9.99. Dumont for Montreal, rookie, $9.99. For the Blues, case hit, there it is. Alex Pietrangelo, $9.99 for the Blues. Patch. One color patch and jersey, number to 75 for the Kings, Mike Richards. Shay, anyways. For the Kings, Carter Richards Kopitar. Trios. Carter, Richards, Kopitar for LA. Wow, LA's killing this one. Clifford, Autofax for the Kings. Clifford, Autofax for the Kings. 2 packs. Really getting there. Niemi for the Sharks. Dual, number to 125. And probably an insert if I had to guess, because I think we have all of our hits. Number to 85 for the Jets, Andre Pavlich. Andre Pavlich, Sapphire for the Jets. So now we will do our randoms. We'll catch you there, guys. Alrighty, here we go. YouTube, we're going to do the randoms for these 3 first live. So, guys, give me number 1 through 3. This is for the Seabrook, Keith, Pronger. Number 1 through 3. 2. The odds 1, Chicago. Chicago. And then give me number 1 through 3. This one is Dallas, San Jose, and Boston. Give me number 1 through 3. 1. San Jose. San Jose on that one. All right, now I need to pull the camera down, so YouTube, close your eyes, you're going to get dizzy. All right. Hey, it's me. So, guys, give me a number 3 or less, and we'll use that as the number for the randoms. 3? Okay. So here we go. We'll do them in numerical order. So what do we got here? 235, 229, and 234. All right. So this is the first one 3 times for random or wild card redemption 229. 1, 2, and 3 goes to Colorado. You can see I did 3 times. The next one for 234, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3 goes to Vancouver. 3 times. And the last one, 235. 1, 2, and 3 goes to Buffalo. 3 times.